Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into an unboxing of this month, December's IPSY Glam Bag. We're going to talk about all the items inside. Is it worth the price point of the bag? And what do we think of everything inside? I have the app next to me so we can pull up each individual item and talk through them at length, in length. It's been a long day and this is like my third video. So we're going to talk about it at length because I think that's grammatically how that makes sense. Anyway, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's IPSY Glam Bag with me, stay tuned. Now, I do want to remind you that this is sent to me in PR, which means IPSY sends this to me for an honest review. They are not paying me for my opinions. If I don't like something, I'm going to tell you, but they do send it to me free of charge, so I do want to say that as a big disclaimer. And this is the regular Glam Bag, which is the $13 a month subscription, and we're going to jump into it. Now, I think the bag is really pretty. Every time we get these like soft pink tones and it doesn't say IPSY all over it, I love the bags extra because I don't need a bag that says IPSY everywhere. I kind of like these cute little bags that you can use for anything. So, first item out of the IPSY Glam Bag is from the Cream Shop. This is the 'Tis the Season to be Lovely Collagen and Squalane Essence Sheet Mask. There is also a Baby It's Gold Outside 24 karat gold and collagen firming sheet mask. Now, these are $3 each, so it's a $6 value. For days or nights where your skin needs a quick pick-me-up, these sheet masks are the answer. Pop on the watermelon kombucha mask for hydrating, that's this one, and brightening benefits, or the coconut chia mask for times where your complexion craves calmness and nourishment. It is 100% cruelty-free, K-Beauty, and it is made in Korea. I said K-Beauty, it's the same thing. I will say that I am sensitive to coconut, so whichever one is coconut, I will not be able to use. So I'm going to use the other one and drop the coconut one in a giveaway or just give it to a friend of mine. But you can never have too many sheet masks. It's a great way to add some extra moisture into your skin and super beautiful on the skin between your toning and essence step and your serums. The next item is from the brand Ahava. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is a clean product and it is a deluxe sample size. So it doesn't have a price on it, but this is a pretty pricey item. This hand cream helps to hydrate chapped skin with a combo of nutrient-rich Dead Sea water, aloe vera, and essential minerals. You'll love how soft and smooth it will make you feel. We love to use it on our hands, but it really works wonders on dry, cracked heels. So I'm actually really excited to try this on my heels. I have used this hand cream in the past, and I love getting it in a travel size because I go through things pretty quickly, and even when brands reach out asking if they can send me things, if it's skincare, I'll usually ask them if they can send me travel sizes because I love using something and going through it and really getting to try it, but not feeling guilty if I don't use the whole bottle. So I love small size items, and something like this goes right in my car so I can really add it anytime I'm in my car after I've sanitized and dried my hands out. I can throw a little bit of a super hydrating hand cream on. The next item is the first one I can tell you I do not like. This is from the brand Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Surfer Curl Mascara. We got this in a full size, I believe, in BoxyCharm. I don't remember which box it came in, but I did not like this mascara at all. I think it was flaky. I think it was a really weird curl. It just did not work for my lashes. So that is going to be a pass from me altogether. Not a product I like. The next product is from Ariza. This is the Ariza Beauty Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow. It looks like it is a quad of 4 different colors. This is also a clean product, and this retails for $20. Those tones are absolutely beautiful. I think I'm going to use one right now just to test the formula. But these 4 ultra buildable shadows blend like a dream thanks to soft clay and rich mineral pigments. Thanks to the shimmer and matte shades, they are perfect for holiday and winter looks. So what I'm going to do to start is, I don't love the eyeshadow I have on right now. In the video where I did this, which is either up or going up, I did say I wanted it to be a little darker, and I wish I had a darker shade to blend. So I'm going to start in this dark brown shade right here, and I'm going to take that on a flat shadow brush, and I'm going to gently pat that around the outer corner of the eye and really concentrate it in the socket just to add a little bit of depth. And then with that same brush, I'm just gonna blend up. See how that just gives you a little bit more of that elongated glam feel? Definitely a much better tone, and I think it complements the eyeshadow I had on very nicely. It looks very neutral in the pan, but it almost has like a warm brown appearance on the eye, like especially in this area, getting a little more of that like soft, not coppery, but like orangey brown, and I really like how that looks. I am going to take, and the last item out of the glam bag comes from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Cranberry and Dew Dewy Lip Remedy. This is a retail for $22. Say goodbye to dry chapped lips with this hydrated leave-on treatment. The name doesn't lie. It is a softening rice bran and castor seed oil plus cranberry and goji berry to give your lips a dewy glow. Use your fingers to apply this treatment on your lips. You can also apply a thick layer before bed as an overnight treatment. That is a good way to get this all over your pillow. I'm going to take a look at the color because, okay, so it's a very bright red. I don't know how that would go on the lips, but I mentioned this in another video recently. I'm currently using the Jouer Lip Enhancer, and I don't like having too many lip balms open, so I'll use this in an upcoming video, and we'll test that out. All in, this bag had a retail value of, again, it was $13 to purchase, $6 from these, and 2 full-size products in the eyeshadow and here. So you definitely got more than that, $13 price point out of the bag. I think it really depends on your preferences. The only product in here that was a flop for me is going to be the mascara, which I am not even going to pretend I'm going to try. I don't like this mascara. It is a pass for me. Let me know what you think. I will also be uploading a video on my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So I will link that up above if it's up already, and if it's not up, it'll be up in a few days. So let me know what you think of that video as well, and let me know what you think of this bag. Do you think that the IPSY this month was worth it? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!